Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a personal loan of up to $50,000 with soft pull pre-qualification. So what it is and what I mean by soft pull pre-qualification. So like most of the times we worry about our credit, that like our credit is actually in bad shape, or we worry about our credit so much that we feel like, hey, we don't want any hard pull or hard inquiry in our credit. So is there any other way we can get the personal loan or credit cards from any financial institution that will allow us to see that how much we already got approved for, either we got approved or not? So that's what they call soft pull pre-qualification. So what they exactly do right here, they will take your information, right, and they will do a soft pull. And what I mean by soft pull, they will check your credit. With a soft pull, it's not going to affect your credit. There will be no change in your credit. Your credit report will remain the same. There will not be a single effect on your credit. The reason I'm emphasizing on it is, of course, a lot of people are worried about it. So yes, you are not going to have any impact on your credit, and you will get the answer, hey, you got approved for it. So as soon as you get the answer, if you are going to get that loan, like the one that I'm going to show you, if you want to get that loan, if you click on yes I accept, then they will do a hard pull. But remember, you've been already approved, so that hard pull was just a general requirement from that financial institution. So I hope you get it. I will tell you step by step how you can get it, what are the perks and the upsides and the downsides of this loan and financial institution. So bear with me till the end of this video. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So without wasting any time, let's go and see what we have today for you. So the financial institution I'm going to review right here is Upstart. Yes, this financial institution has been around from several years. I believe it's more than 20 years they've been giving loans to the people in the United States. So what they've been doing, they offer the loans from $1,000 to $50,000 with a simple soft pull. And what I mean by simple soft pull, as you can see, they say right here, it will not affect your credit score. Yes, so you actually require or ask for the loan, and then what they do exactly, they will do a soft pull and it will not affect your credit. But after that decision, if you want to accept that offer, as soon as you do that, they will put the hard inquiry on your credit. But remember, you've been already approved with a soft inquiry, so there will not be any change in the decision. The decision will remain the same, whatever the amount you got approved for after that soft pull, but you will guarantee the loan but whatever you got accepted for with the soft pull. So I'm going to tell you a couple of perks of this financial institution and the loan though. So what you can do right here, in most of the loan places in the financial institution, what happens, what they exactly do, they ask you for the reason that, hey, why do you need the loan? And then you tell them, hey, I need the loan for credit costs, debt consolidation, student loans and stuff. But in this one, you can actually click on right here. That was an amazing thing. Yeah, use funds for something else. So something else means you don't need to give them any sort of reason that why you need the loan for, and you can use it for any of your need. But now let's talk about how you can get it and when you can get it and what is the penalty and stuff. So the loans ranges from $1,000 to $50,000. The loan terms are actually 3 to 5 years, right? And the APR ranges from 7.8 to 35.99%. See, it totally depends on your credit score, but 35.99% is huge. It's almost like the half of it. So please do consider whatever you get the offer, just check, think 100 times, actually 1,000 times before accepting that offer, that if you really need the money, you can go ahead with it. Of course, they claim that they can give you the loan in just 1 day, so they only require 1 business day. So if you actually get approved on Monday, you will get the loan by next day by 5 p.m. on Tuesday. And if you got approved on Friday, then you're gonna get the loan on Monday, because they require the next business day. So there is no prepayment penalty. So according to them, of course, if you want to pay the amount in full or the loan in full, there will not be any prepayment penalty or charge. You can do that, or you can pay it the huge portion of it if you want to do that without any penalty or fee. So according to them, they have actually helped more than 580,000 customers. So that's one of the claims that they do. Their ratings are really good. It's, when you check it on Credit Karma and NerdWallet and other sites, so they are pretty famous when it comes to this. Their approval are actually higher than that. Let me just be really honest with you. I have taken a loan from them like around a year ago, and the interest rate was so high, so you know, like I got stuck in it. But you know, like of course with the passage of time I just paid it and I just got rid of it. So think 1,000 times before you take this loan. But this is an amazing opportunity for a lot of you out there who are credit if your credit is in bad shape, or you don't want any hard inquiry, so you want to know the decision of your loan without any hard pull into your credit. So now of course they say that there's one monthly payment versus multiple credit card payments. So if you have a credit card debt, so they do that, you can actually get the amount from them and then, you know, like just pay off your credit cards and then pay them one monthly payment. It doesn't make any sense. There's a lot of videos that I've posted on Credit Viral channel. You can check them out, at how you can manage your credit card, so don't get stuck on it. So let me just take you on a tour of their application, how it looks like. So right here they actually ask you that how much amount you would like to borrow, and then of course they would ask you the purpose. Of course, if you don't want to tell them, just click on use to funds for something else. Your first name, last name, your date of birth, of course your address and your zip code. Remember your address and this information right there, your address, first name, last name, everything should match the information on your credit report, because they are going to do a soft pull. And remember, there is no effect on your credit when they give you an offer, so don't worry about it. But as soon as you click on accept now, they will do a hard pull. This is the general requirement. So then they're going to ask you that what is your highest level of education. They're not going to ask you for any sort of papers or documents and stuff, so totally up to you. And then what is your primary source of income. Of course, if you're employed, you can do that. If you have a business or you're self-employed, you can do that. They ask you for your savings. Of course, it will help them making the decision. So whatever the savings you have, you can show them. But remember, they are not going to check it, so you know what I mean. So I'm not gonna stretch it. Of course, your investment account, if you have any, like if you have any investments in stocks or something. And then one thing that is really important, that they ask you, have you taken out any loans in the past 3 months? So remember, if you have taken out any loan in past 3 months, if you click yes, they are not going to give you the loan. So this is a straightforward procedure and a requirement for them. So if you have taken out any loan from anyone in this entire world in past 3 months, they are not going to approve you if you answer yes right here. Then they're going to ask you for your email address, and then they say that, you know, access your rate again anytime. So what they do exactly, when you create your email address and sign up with them, if you don't want to take the loan today, if you want to take it like next day or day after tomorrow, you can access the same rate that they've given you, and then you can get the loan, so you don't have to fill the application again. So this is all about it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will help you to get a $5,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like the channel. It helps us grow the channel, and also it shows us that you really like the content and you support us. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.